rounding the prairie, or climbing the Rockies, America's off-road enthusiasts have discovered the multi-purpose vehicle that meets all recreational needs. The Scout SS2. It's the ready-to-rough-it sports utility vehicle specially equipped for off-roading. It combines truck-tough construction, sporty appearance, and a reasonable price. There's nothing else like it. Plus, your international dealer has the power options and accessories to make the SS2 your ideal trail machine. But talking about this rig just doesn't cut it. You've got to take it out on the trail to see what on-off-road performance really means. Most mileage, even on off-road vehicles, are highway miles. So comfort and safety are important considerations. The SS2 has a long 100-inch wheelbase for greater on-off-road riding comfort and stability. Yet it still outmaneuvers its shorter wheelbase competition on the trail. Further on-off-road stability is provided by a front-wheel stabilizer bar. This device keeps the body and suspension in proper relationship. Body sway works against the stabilizer bar. This extra stability is standard on the SS2, so you can safely cross country by highway or on the trail. Loading the SS2, you'll find twice the cargo space of a Jeep CJ. Great for packing in trail gear or hauling payload. With the rear seat forward, there's over 6 feet of cargo space in the SS2. If several friends are going along for the trek, there's an optional folding rear seat. Even with this additional seat raised, there's still over 3 feet of space to stash gear. And roominess isn't the whole cargo story. The SS2 has a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,200 pounds and can carry over a ton of gear or payload. The SS2 carries more load than any competitor in its class, over twice Jeep's capacity. The SS2 is tough on the job and at play. Entering the wilderness, the advantages of SS2 off-road performance features soon become apparent. Scout four-wheel drive powers all 4 wheels to get you over the roughest terrain or through adverse traction conditions. You can blast through mud or water and keep your feet dry with SS2's automatic front-wheel locking hubs. Automatic locking hubs engage automatically, so you can shift into 4-wheel drive without getting out of the vehicle. You can also pick Scout's economical manual locking hubs. Either way, selective 4-wheel drive is a standard feature on SS2. And selective 4-wheel drive means just that. You can use 4-wheel drive power when you need it, not full-time. Selective 4-wheel drive saves wear and tear on precious front-wheel components. Dropping in and driving out of ditches and gullies is no hassle with SS2's strong truck axles. The driving front axle is rated at a beefy 3,200 pounds, strong enough to resist breakage even under severe off-road punishment. SS2's standard rear axle is a semi-floating type, rated at 3,500 pounds. It's built tough, from the ring gear pinion through the differential and axle shafts, to assure long, trouble-free operation. The optional track lock limited slip differential provides greater traction for severe off-road driving. Unlike the standard differential, which allows one wheel to spin free, the limited slip differential delivers power to both rear wheels. SS2 truck-tough axles mean you can play harder and carry more payload than the rest of the pack. Driving the SS2 off-road, you don't have to worry about damaging precious drivetrain components. International leaves nothing hanging that could hang you up. The SS2's transfer case, steering gear, and mufflers clear the ground by more than a foot and are tucked away above the bottom level of Scout's tough box frame. Scout's high ground clearance discourages mud, snow, or gravel from building up onto the chassis. The gas tank is the most vulnerable spot on an off-road vehicle. SS2's is in the rear and is protected by a fuel tank skid plate. You can trek over the rockiest terrain with peace of mind. This heavy-duty steel plate armors the 19-gallon gas tank against punctures and is designed to angle away toward the rear bumper for better ground clearance. The tank plate is just one of the essential off-road items that come as standard equipment on the SS2. For more undercarriage protection, you can get a dealer-installed front skid plate. The front skid plate protects the steering gear and front axle components from abuse when off-roading in rough terrain. Climbing steep grades is one workout made easy by SS2's more powerful truck engines and drivetrain components. The standard SS2 comes with an economical 4-cylinder, 196 cubic inch International truck engine. The SS2 offers more off-road power with a choice of two 8-cylinder engines, the V304 or the V345. They have the reserve power to scamper up long mountainous grades and across tortuous terrain. SS2s are cooled by heavy-duty closed truck systems that have more cooling capacity than Jeep's standard system. Heavy-duty cooling protects Scout engines from the heat buildup associated with off-road workouts. It's standard on the SS2. SS2's standard 11-inch clutch with 2,000-pound plate pressure is more durable than Jeep's. Plus, Scout offers a super heavy clutch with 2,200 pounds plate pressure as a longer life option. The standard high-low range transfer case doubles the gradeability of the SS2. The 2-speed high-low transfer case means you can climb at slow speeds and still keep the engine operating within its usable torque curve. Scout offers a variety of powertrain alternatives that make the SS2 most versatile in meeting your specific off-roading needs. All three engines can be combined with either a rugged automatic transmission or one of the three fully synchronized transmissions. The 3-speed fully synchronized transmission is standard equipment on the SS2. Options include the 4-speed fully synchronized T427. It provides deep first gear reduction for slow off-road use. It gives extra tractive effort. Deep low is useful for downhill compression braking. The fully synchronized close ratio T428 4-speed offers close gear splits for power applications. Shifting the close ratio transmission keeps engine RPM up. Scout offers a rugged 3-speed automatic transmission for greater handling ease on the trail or in the city. And with the SS2, you don't have to restrict your choice of engines just because you desire an automatic transmission. Hang on, SS2s are built tough so you can work hard and play rough. 3,100-pound capacity leaf springs are standard equipment all around the SS2. They not only cushion the ride, but also afford greater control and handling ease. They provide long suspension life as well as low maintenance. You can get additional support by ordering heavy-duty springs and heavy-duty shocks. This heavy-duty suspension combines with an enclosed front-to-rear box frame to withstand the torsional and impact stresses of off-roading. You can off-road with greater peace of mind, knowing safety is no option on the SS2. It comes standard with off-road safety features like a tough steel roll bar, a full complement of easy-to-read instruments, and a padded dash. Driving conditions are as unpredictable as the weather when you're in the boondocks. You can leave the top off, even in the rain, with our weatherproof instruments and dash, including snap-on defroster vent covers. All seats are waterproof, but to better protect your gear, put on an optional soft top and doors. With the SS2, you have a choice of black or white soft tops, and can even get a sunroof. These versatile tops fold convertible fashion, or simply roll the side and rear curtains into a safari configuration, with or without doors on. The CB radio is an important piece of safety equipment, especially in the boondocks. A plug-in CB hotline is standard in the SS2 for easy radio hookup.
Break 19, this is a Ridge Rider here. Got my CJ stuck down here and I need to pull out. My 1020 is about a mile east of the...
Your International dealer carries a complete line of CB radios, antennas, and other accessories so that you can get help when you need it.
That's a big 10-4, good buddy.
And give help when it's needed. You never know when a buddy might get stuck in the mud. SS2 optional tow hooks make coupling our tow belt quick and easy. Our heavier vehicle weight and four-wheel pulling power make towing a cinch. Your Scout dealer also has a full line of factory-installed winches. You can get a mini 3,000-pound winch or more load capacity with an 8,000-pound heavy-duty winch. International also offers the greater versatility of a portable winch. International Scout has a full line of tire options for every kind of terrain imaginable. One of the sporty options available through International's off-road package is big 10 by 15 light truck tires with white spoke wheels. These on-off highway tires not only look tough, afford greater off-road bite, but also increase ground clearance another 1.25 inches. When using these oversized tires, you should protect SS2's sporty paint job with optional rubber fender extensions. For on or off-road safety and dependability, power-assisted front disc brakes come as standard equipment. SS2 power front disc brakes are fade-resistant and water-resistant, so that you're prepared for unexpected stops on the trail, wet or dry. Fuel range is a critical factor on a cross-country trek. SS2's standard 19-gallon tank holds 3.5 gallons more gas than Jeep's. Enough fuel reserve so you can relax off-road. SS2 runs on regular gas, which is easier to find in out-of-the-way places. It will also run on no-lead or low-lead fuels. SS2 meets all federal and state pollution standards without a catalytic converter. Jeeps, on the other hand, have a catalytic converter and are restricted to expensive unleaded fuel. Back on the trail, you'll find SS2 is an optimum-sized off-road vehicle. It's big enough for on- or off-road stability and comfort, yet narrow enough to slip through tight situations without getting hung up. Turnarounds are made easier by the SS2's greater maneuverability. It has better turning ability even though it's a larger vehicle than the Jeep. The front axle has a 40-degree wheel cut, which means we can turn around on these tight trails. SS2's turning circle is 2 feet tighter than Jeep CJ7's. Side clearance visibility is improved on the SS2 by low door openings, when the doors are on or off. And our front end is protected from the brush by the SS2's tough Lexan grille. Your International dealer also offers an optional brush guard if you need added protection. It's hard to believe a rig so tough can look so good. Standard trim includes black finish front and rear bumpers, wipers, and the tough Lexan bold grille. You can add to SS2's rugged good looks with sporty black and gold applique. There's nothing else like the SS2 when it comes to combining tough truck construction and performance and contemporary styling. Your wilderness trek starts here. Make your International dealer your off-road headquarters. He's got the standard equipment, powertrain options, and dealer-installed accessories that make the SS2 the most versatile off-road vehicle on the market. The SS2 is ready to rough it with standard equipment, including roll bar, fuel tank skid plate, leaf spring suspension, high-load transfer case, stabilizer bar, power front disc brakes, CB hot lead, Lexan grille and door panels, weatherproof instruments, and bucket seat. SS2 also comes standard with features like a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,200 pounds, 6 feet of cargo space, high ground clearance, and box frame construction. It runs on regular gas, has selective four-wheel drive, heavy-duty cooling, and a long 100-inch wheelbase. Powertrain options include 3 powerful truck engines, 3 fully synchronized transmissions, An automatic transmission available with all engines. Automatic locking hubs, track lock differential, heavy-duty clutch, and oversized tires. Your International dealer can install such off-road accessories as a CB radio, swing-away tire carrier, driving lights, winches, front skid plates, soft tops with a sunroof, brush guards, and sporty black and gold appliques. Scout SS2, the ready-to-rough-it on-off-road machine, available only at your International truck dealer. SS2, the best sports utility vehicle your money can buy.